Today's project is to repair the my Touch 'n Go Smart Tag card. The problem is the LCD is not coming out. Okay, very blur, the numbers and the codings are everything very clear. So what we're going to do is try to repair this ribbon pin over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this hot iron here and iron this ribbon over here to make sure that it gets a little bit more flush. Okay, so now I've already done that already and it looks a little bit better now. So if I test and see, let's test and see. Difficult to do it in one hand. Okay, let's see whether it works. The video was not working just now, so I couldn't show you how we tested it, but we tested it was working, so we assemble it all back together again and let's see. Forgot to put in the battery. Okay, battery in, let's see. Haha, see, full reading back again. Hi battery. Okay, and if you guys would want to know, I'm using my IC and you can use your IC as a Touch 'n Go. If there is a Touch 'n Go logo behind, you can use it to top up, keep some spare money in case your Touch 'n Go card finish. Thanks for watching. Bye.